Mark, Part 1, Study number 3. Question 1. You sabi share him any something from study number 2, where hemi sabi help him you to mas? Question 2. Time Jesus hemi baptize, you remember who now call him Jesus son blow him, and tell him too how hemi love him to mas? Question 3. Long this fella book where you me look lo him, Mark, you look him how Jesus hemi sorry to mas, long get the people, where get the got him sicky and devil too. Why now Jesus hemi sorry to mas, long get the people? Reading, Mark, chapter 2, verse 1, Kasim, verse 5. Now behind some fella day more, Jesus hemi come back more long Capernaum. O get the people, o get the hear him news where Jesus hemi stop now, long house blow him. So plenty long o get the come heap up long house ya, and no matter long outside long door ya, hemi barava full up for good now. And time Jesus hemi go ahead for tell him out talk blow God, long o get the people no more, 4 fella man, o get the karim come 1 fella man, where body blow him, hemi no savi move. But because plenty people to mas, hemi barava hard for get a take him mania go long Jesus. So get a karim mania on top lo house no more. And o get a open him 1 fella hole lo roof ya, straight on top lo place where Jesus hemi stand up lo him. Tam o get a make him hole ya finish no more, o get a take him mania with him bed blow him and make him go down inside lo house ya now. Tam Jesus hemi look savvy, long belief blow geta, hemi say o same long sick mania, friend, me forgive him now get a sin blow you. Question 4. One him now hemi wrong long man, where o get a friend take him come long Jesus. Reading, Mark, chapter 2, verse 6 and verse 7. Long time ya, some fella long get a teacher blow law, or get a stop lo place ya too, and o get a ting o sim long mine blow get a silver. My what? How now this fella man ya, hemi talk o sim. Hemi barava talk spoil him God ya. God no more hemi savi forgive him o get a sin. Question 5. Long this fella vase, who now this fella 1 fella man who hemi savi forgive him o get a sin? Question 6. Why now Jesus savi forgive him o get a sin too? Reading, Mark chapter 2 and verse 8. Bami ask him question first time, and behind Bami do him reading. Question 7. Was way, you savi hear him any something lo this fella ves, where hemi saw him out, that Jesus hemi high more win him every nara man? Okay, reading now. Long same time ya, Jesus hemi savi finish, one him o get a teacher blow law eating him. So hemi say o same, was way now, you fella got him ting o same long mind blow you fella. Okay, question 7 more. Was way, you savi hear him any something, lo that fella ves? Where hemi saw him out that Jesus hemi high more, win him every nara man? Reading, Mark, chapter 2, and verse 10. Same something more. Bami ask him question first time, and behind Bami do him reading. Question 8. Long reading whereby him follow him this fella question, by you hear him 1 fella important something, where Jesus hemi want him or get for savvy lo him. You listen good fella and tell him come, Want him now, Jesus, hemi want him or get the people for savvy about him himself. Reading Mark chapter 2 and verse 10. But this time, by me barava so amount lo you fella, where me, son lo man, me got him power lo this fella world, for forgive him or get a sin. So question 8 more, you fella must talk around him now. Want him now, this fella important something. Reading more, Mark chapter 2, verse 11 and verse 12. Now Jesus, hemi say long this fella sick man, yeah, also. Me tell him long you stand up, take him bed blow you, and you go bike long house blow you. Long same time no more, man ya, hemi stand up and take him bed blow him, and hemi walk about go now. O get the people but have a surprise for good. Time o get to look him this one. And o get to make high Lord God, and o get to say, my what? Before come, you mean nothing look him any something or same yet, yeah? Question 9. Want him now, hemi big fella more. For Jesus, hemi forgive him or get a sin blow you, or you forgot him good health. Reading Mark chapter 2, verse 13 and verse 14. Now Jesus, hemi go bike more, lo side lo lake lo Galilee. Time ya no more, plenty people now, o get a come long Jesus, and hemi go ahead for teach him o get a. And time hemi walk about go more, hemi look him one fella man, name blow him Levi, son blow Alphaeus. Long time ya, Levi, hemi sit down lo place where o get the people savi pay him tax lo him ya. And Jesus, hemi tokos him lo him. You come, follow me. So Levi, hemi get up and follow Jesus now. Question 10. Want him now, waka, blow Levi. Question 11. Want him now, you think him, hemi mean him, for come up for follow Jesus, or sem or get the disciple blow him. Question 12. Want him now, Levi, hemi willing for do him, for hemi follow Jesus. Reading Mark chapter 2, verse 15, Kasim verse 17. Plenty time now, or get a man for take him tax, and or get another rubbish people more, or get a savvy go with him Jesus. Now long time ya, Jesus, hemi go kai lo house blow Levi. And plenty long or get a rubbish people now, or get a come for kai with them Jesus. And or get a disciple blow him. Now some fella tisa blow law, where or get a Pharisee too, or get a look him that Jesus hemi kai with him or get a rubbish people ya. Time ya no more, or get a tokos him now long or get a disciple blow Jesus. Hey, was we now man ya hemi kai with him or get a man for take him tax, and or get another rubbish people all same ya. And time Jesus hemi hear him this one, hemi tokos him long or get a now. You fellas savvy, people who no sick, or get a no want him for look him doctor. But people who is sick now, or get a want him for look him doctor. So me no come for call him or get a straight fella people, but me come for call him or get a people where or get a got him sin. Question 13. Why now you think Sir Jesus hemi want for stop with him or get a people who is sin? Question 14. Was way, you savvy good that Jesus hemi love him you? Question 15. How now Levi hemi help him or get a friend blow him for meet him Jesus? Reading Mark chapter 2, verse 15, Kasim verse 17. Plenty time now, ook het a man for take him tax, and ook het another ravish people more, ook het a savvy go with him Jesus. Now some fella teachable law, we ook het a Pharisee too, ook het a look him that Jesus him kai with him ook het a ravish people, ja. Time ya no more, ook het a talk also him now, long ook het a disciple blow Jesus. Hey, what's way now, manja? Hemi kai with him ook het a man for take him tax, and ook het another ravish people also him, ja. And time Jesus hemi hear him this one, hemi talk also him long ook het a now. You fella savvy, people who no sick, ook het a no one look him doctor. But people who is sick now, ook het a one for look him doctor. So me no come for call him ook het a straight fella people, but me come for call him ook het a people where ook het a got him sin. Question 16. What kind people now? It cast him good something from messes where Jesus hemi take him come. Question 17. Who now come for call him ook het a people where ook het a got him sin? Reading Mark chapter 2, verse 23, Kasim verse 26. Long one fella Sabbath day, Jesus hemi walk about lo some fella garden blong wheat. And same time ja, ook het a disciple blo him, ook het a go ahead now for take him some fella wheat. So time ook het a Pharisee, ook het a look him no more, ook het a talk also him lo Jesus now. Hey, you look him, what's way now ook het a do him waka lo Sabbath day, where hemi tambu lo law. Now Jesus, hemi talk also him long ook het a. What's way, you fella no read him no more? Something King David hemi do him, time Abiathar hemi high priest yet ja? Long time ja, David en ook het a man blo hem, ook het a hungry, en ook het a sot lo kai. And David hemi go inside lo house blo God, and hemi kai him tambu bread ja now. And hemi give him too, long ook het a man blo him. But follow him teaching blo law ja, ook het a priest no more, savi kai him this kind bread. Question 18. What kind example now, Jesus, hemi give him, for support him every something where ook het a disciple do him? Question 19. Was way, ook het a disciple, ja? Break him, ook het a law blo God, or ook het a rule where man no more hemi make him? Reading Mark chapter 2, verse 27 and verse 28. And Jesus hemi tell him long ook het a also more, Sabbath ja, God hemi make him for helping people no more. But hemi no make him Sabbath for boss over him ook het a. So me, son blo man now, me master blo Sabbath. Question 20. Talk round him this fella question. Saturday, hemi Sabbath blo ook het a Jew. One him now hemi big fella something where hemi happen, where hemi lead him just for keep him Sunday. Some fella ting for ting him back long study number 3. Mark chapter 2. Long this fella study, you me look him man hemi sick to mass, and hemi no savvy walk about. So get a friend blo him, carry him. O get no savvy go inside lo door. So get a out him part lo roof. O get a believe that Jesus savvy help him friend blo get a. Jesus, hemi savvy finish one hemi wrong long mania, and hemi forgive him sin blo him, and tell him for walk about. You me too savvy take him come o get a friend blo you me, and o get a family blo you me. Go Lord Jesus. Time Yumi prayer for oketa. Yumi must remember that Jesus love him oketa win him Yumi. Long this fella's study, Yumi look him Levi too. Levi, hemi one fella man for take him tax. Jesus, hemi savi finish lo this one, but hemi go ahead no more, for call him Levi, for follow him. Levi, hemi do him one him Jesus hemi tell him. Hemi nothing argue or thinking more about him this one. Hemi ask him every friend blow him, for come lo house blow him and meet him Jesus. Was way, you savi do him no more this one, long home blow you? You savi lead him husband blow you, and o get a pickaninny blow you, for meet him Jesus? Yumi can do it, make him Yumi seleva more better, time Yumi do him o get a good something. O for golosios. Yumi everyone need him Jesus too much, for give him Yumi new life.